How to scan in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open Notes app and then open a new Notes and then click on this pin icon, and here you see the option scan documents. Click on scan documents and then simply click a picture of your document and click on save. Your scan document will be saved in Notes. And then if you want to scan QR code in iPhone 16 Pro Max, then simply open QR code and then scan QR code. Simply open your iPhone camera for scan QR code, and then you can see the option Wikipedia. Click on it and it will be scanned. So this is the way to scan in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.